Hello friends, welcome to Sundays with Selma. Today I am going to prepare AVAL Payasam. Payasam is a traditional dessert made and served especially on occasions such as birthdays and festivals. It is very simple and easy to make. Let's get started. We need the following ingredients to begin. Ghee or butter, 1.5 tablespoons. Rice flakes, 1 cup. Milk, 4 cups. Sugar, half a cup. Raisins, 1/4 cup. Cashews, 1/4 cup. Cardamom powder, half teaspoon. Salt to taste. In a pan, heat 1.5 tablespoons of ghee. Add 1/4 cup of cashews. Fry until the cashews begin to turn golden color. Once the cashews start becoming golden, add 1/4 cup of raisins. Fry the raisins until they become full and plump. Take the fried cashews, raisins, and set aside. Add rice flakes into the remaining ghee. Fry it until crispy. Now the rice flakes are crispy. Add 4 cups of milk and stir well. Allow the AVAL to get cooked. Stir occasionally. Cook it for about 15 minutes on low to medium flame. Now our payasam is getting thick. Add half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, and mix well. Garnish with fried cashews and raisins. Add a pinch of salt to taste. Now our tasty and healthy AVAL Payasam is ready. Here is an extra tip. If our payasam is too thick, add some more boiled milk. Our healthy and tasty AVAL Payasam is ready. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.